Like to call Dr. Pranay Kumar on the stage to present a token of appreciation to our esteemed guest. So, one by one, I'm going to call you on stage. Kindly join us. First up, we have Major General R.C. Paddy. Can we have a round of applause, everyone? Congratulations, sir. Next up is Brigadier GVG Prasad. Congratulations. Brigadier P.S. Ramesh. Congratulations, sir. Next up is Group Captain A.V. Joshi. Congratulations, sir. Next up, we have Mr. Neeraj Sahai. Congratulations. Next is Mr. Kumar Ankur. Right, congratulations. So, once again, can we have a huge round of applause for all our esteemed guests? All right, thank you so much, everyone, for joining us. Uh, Okay. Next, we have Wing Commander E. Rajappan. Congratulations. Mr. Rahul Jain. Congratulations, sir. Okay, next up is Mr. Dilip Kumar. Congratulations. Next up, we have Mr. Manas Upadhyay. Congratulations, sir. All right, with this, we are done with the felicitation. All right, we have one more guest. Next up, we have Wing Commander Chatur. Next up, we have is Wing Commander Bhupender Singh. Congratulations. All right, can we have everyone on stage who just received the mementos for a group picture? We are going to have a group photo with all the guests who just received the mementos. Can we have a round of applause for everyone? All right, everyone, thank you so much.